Morning, everyone. Today we'll see the concrete mix design. Myself, Dr. J. Sayarum, Professor in Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. The process of selecting suitable ingredient of concrete and determining the relative quantities with their objective of producing a concrete of a required strength, durability, and workability as economical as possible is stand as a concrete mix. Design of concrete mix is not a simple task on account of the widely varying properties of constituent materials. The condition that prevail at the site of the work in a particular the exposure condition and the condition that are demanded for a particular work for which the mix is designed. Design of concrete mix require complete knowledge of various properties of these constituent material. The implication of in case change on this condition at the site, the impact of the property of plastic concrete on the hardened concrete and the complicated interrelationship between the variable. All this make the task of mix design more complex and difficult. Design of concrete mix need not only the knowledge of material property and the property of concrete in the plastic condition, it also need a wide knowledge and experience of concreting. Even then, the proper proportion of the material of concrete found out at the laboratory requires modification and readjustment to suit in the field condition. The better understanding of property, the concrete is becoming more and more an exact material than in the past. Structural designer stipulate certain minimum strength. The concrete technologists design the concrete mix with the knowledge of the material. Site exposure condition and standard of supervision available at the site of work to achieve this minimum strength and durability. Further, the site engineer is required to make the concrete at the site closely following the parameter suggested by the designer to achieve the minimum strength specified by the structural engineer. In some cases, the site engineer may be required to slightly modify the mix proportion given by the mix designer. He also makes cubes or cylinders sufficient in number and test them to confirm the achievement with the expert to the minimum specified strength. Designer earlier may have made trial cubes with representative material to arrive at the value standard deviation or coefficient of variation to be used in the mixed design. Mixed design can be defined as the process of selecting suitable ingredient of concrete and determining the relative proportion with the objective of producing concrete of certain minimum strength and durability as well as economically as possible. Purpose of designing as can be seen from the above definition in twofold. The first objective is to achieve the stipulated minimum strength and durability. The second objective is to be make the concrete the most economical manner. Cost wise, all the all the concrete depends primarily on two factors, namely cost of the material and cost of the labor. Labor cost by the way of formworks, batching, mixing, transportation, and curing is nearly same for good concrete and bad concrete. Therefore, attention is mainly directed to the cost of material. Since the cost of the cement is mainly times more than the cost of the ingredient, attention is mainly directed to the use of as little cement as possible, consistent with the strength and durability. Thank you so much.